The theory is when a person dies after Sannipada Jara, he describes the death. Death means in severe conditions you can use that medicine. I have done it and got result also. Even recently I have done. Death is the Jara affects the three Roga Margas. First Roga Marga is the Dhatu, isn't it? What is the Roga Marga? Man is a big Srotas. A man stands and tilts his head like that. So mouth is there from rectum, the tube. Mahasrotas. Rim is the body. That rim is the Yogamarga. First Yogamarga. Bahya Yogamarga. That tube, mouth to rectum, mouth to anus, is the second Yogamarga, Koshta. And the nerve spread, brain, three marmas. It's not actually brain, the area, head. Hridaya is not heart, Hridaya, the area. Pasti, the area, not kidney. The electromagnetic waves go in these three places as the marma. Vayu sthanam, three marma. They and the connected nerves and all these things. That is the third. So Jara first takes over the first Roga Marga, then comes to the second Roga Marga. Before that, you can see it becomes difficult to consume things. They will say no food. Then they say no water. That's a natural death. In natural death, what you should do is, when they say they cannot take food, don't disturb them. Give little food, water, then at last they will say no water, okay, no, die. Fasting and die. But you will take him to a hospital. The doctor will say, no, he will die. Put a tube, feel. And he will suffer the pressure inside. Nothing good. You feel nothing good. Body won't take. Nothing good. Of course, it is not dying, then of course you can do all these things. Why it happens? Jara enters this place and there's an inflammation, it becomes shrink. This part happens. Then, if he is not going to die, you can take him back. With what? That is the Jatyamalaga Mustani. Jatyamalaga Mustani is that. How that was made. I first told you about these yogas for 5 Vishamajara, that is each dhatu. In that, last is Chaturthakam. Chaturthakam is in the very deep dhatus. That is Medas, Asti, Majja. These are called Gambhira dhatu. Gambhira means deep. So, what is the medicine for Chaturthaka Jara? Dhatri Amalaka Mustani. No. Got it? Dhatri Mustamrda Chaudhira. Very deep in the dhatu it has gone in Chaturthaka Jara. So, Amrita is for degenerative inflammation, Dhatri for Rasayana, Musta for Ama. Ama is all, even now, even after we remove Ama, it always comes. So, it has to be there. These are typical 3 things. This is not for giving. This is to take to your particular situation and make changes. So, in the deep Jara, Dhatri, Amalaka, Dhatri, Amrita, Musta. This is taken here. Jatya Amalaka Mustani. So what he has done is, he kept Dhatri, Rasayana, Musta And there is the Amrita for degenerative inflammation, which was changed to Jati. Jati is the best medicine to control the inflammation of the alimentary canal. Jati is the medicine what we use in typhoid. When you suspect there is bleeding is going to come, internal bleeding is going to come. When there is a chance for internal bleeding in typhoid, what we do is we take Tiktaka Yogam and add so much of Jati and make a ghee and ask them to smear it. And as I told with Gadimati, smear it. There's a Jati here, Jatya Malaga Mustani. After Sannipada, when he say Jatya Malaga Mustani, we must understand that the Jara is going to kill him. He has gone to deep dhatus, Chaturthaka Jaras dhatus, and coming here. So when I say this, somebody asked me in which commentary it is there. I say it's my commentary. I'm sure. What I say, I'm sure. No doubt. If you once understand what is Samhita, Samhita is between the Guru and disciple. They kept the note. When you read it, imagine what is happening there. Imagine the Guru and the disciple, how they talk. They both know things. They're sensitive, how they talk, how they write. So you can understand. When we learn a novel, we are immersed in it, no? We know everything. We start crying. So like that. Like that we must picture, we must experience it. So you understand. This is the exact thing. Yatyamalaga Mustani is the medicine before when somebody dies. I have experience with this medicine. That's why I tell you. In some cases, nobody can understand what is it. The person is like that. You know, this coma, like not coma, absolute no orientation. Patient is just dying like that. It's a correct symptom of severe inflammation in the alimentary canal. Severe inflammation in the alimentary canal. Is there in Visarpa. There is a reference about Visarpa in this. So this Jatyamalaga Mustani is made like that. Then, Jatyamalaga Mustani Tadvat Dhanvaya Vashakam. Why he say Tadvat Dhanvaya Vashakam? Like that Dhanvaya Vashakam. Why? You can add with that or you can give separate. That's the meaning. Why? Because from here the Jara moves to third Roga Marga and the patient dies. Not patient, any person, natural death. You ask any good doctor, especially from West, they will tell you natural death happens last when the central nervous system inflames. They say brain inflames. When the inflammation is here, he rejects food, then rejects water. So there is no backlash of Vayu. When it comes here, he is not clear he has no orientation, he is not clear, he is just dreaming. He is not feeling things in the body. So he won't experience the terrible pain and other things of the death. It's a natural remedy of the Prakriti. If you leave him, instead you take him to a hospital, they pump things here, give all the difficulty. When the inflammation goes to central nervous system, they pump steroids. When the inflammation is not complete, so he experiences the trauma, the pain, the difficulty of death and die. I'm not joking. One emergency surgeon, a very famous person in USA, is my close friend. He told me that when you start working, even when you are very young, when you start working, the rule it says the part of your salary has to be kept by the government as a fund, like our policies. It will be there. Then it is used for your health. So people collect a huge amount what they have earned by working. And when they are very old and go to hospital to die, they use 75% of it just to do this thing. To making experience the difficulty of the death. This is what is happening. No, I am not joking. This is what we say. People take everybody to hospital to die. If he is dying in the house, he will calmly die. Previously, the Vaidyan used to come. He will say, this is the stage. Vayu is in the stage. So wait. He will say, don't give solid food. Then say, stop water. He knows. See the medicine. Jatyamalaga mustani tadvat dhanyaya vashagam. What is dhanyaya vashagam? It is a single medicine for morsha. Look, Vaishajya Rasnavali. Vaishajya Rasnavali, you can see single medicine for morsha. We used to give it morsha sometimes with tiktakam grisam. Some conditions, sometimes only this. Even some people who come with vertigo without any other symptom goes with that. To give this. So each word, step by step, they are saying something. What is gradually happening? This is taken as a note. It's a note. Kept. It's a note, actually. You understand what I said? It's the exact thing, one by one. Even I have experienced it. Ajal Kumar. Avante amma, we thought he is going to die. Just lying there. Nobody could diagnose it. And because he did not take her to hospital. Doctors came there, did all the investigation. At last they said, there's no use taking to hospital because we don't know. We will give general antibiotics and steroid. Then he said no. Then we were talking over phone. From the very beginning, I told him it can be something inside here. Then all the options failed. Then I told him, give this Jatyamalaga mustani. Started reviving. And then the fever was continuing. He gave a particular medicine that I have noted down. Wonderful thing. Then fever was remaining 3 hours in the evening. Correct. 5 to 8, something like that. Then I told him to give mebendazole. Mebendazole it has no action in the body. It works in the unseen worms. Unseen worms. It's very good. It's a course. So, when she came out of Madras, it's Jatyamalaga mustani. Yeah, several places I have seen this. So each word is like that when you read. And after that Jatyamalaga mustani, there is one line. Why that line is there? Where is that line? Even Tadvat Dhanyaya Vashagam. Ayurveda Rasayana, Hemadri's book, interpretation you see. Others will say, Jatyamalaga mustani, Dhanyaya Vashagam, together. That's a meaning. Together also you can give. I have given like that. But Hemadri clearly says, Tadvat Dhanyaya Vashagam means alone. It is there. He also did not explain like this. This is what I say. You see, Vaishajya Rasnavali is a single drug for morsha. So, the Jara has gone to central nervous system. Why he did not say that? Because he did not say that. At that time, everybody knows it. They are keeping the notes. They are keeping the notes. They need not explain. That's it. And next is a medicine for Shrotashuddhi. So in that condition, the whole area is inflamed. This condition happens in liver cancer, many difficult situations. There's a complete block. If there's a block, you have to release it or spasmodic pain will come. In liver cancer, people die, mostly die. What you can do is to ease the pain. The problem is pain. Do you know that? The whole business of liver cancer, let him die. It's very difficult. and you ease the pain during that. Severe pain will be there. Only medicine is opium. That's what they are giving, morphine. Morphine you cannot give more than one dose. After that they have to suffer. The babies are there, Sanskrit. Them, we took him to Sorno. Shankaran was there. He's my classmate. He makes Kanmada Kalpam, liquid. So we gave that, and that eases that pain. He did not suffer terrible pain. And there is another yoga. The herb yoga is there. To ease that. In several situations like that, if you can do sodhana, sota shodhana, you can ease the difficult situation. So here, after the whole system is inflamed, when he has total constipation, you cannot use any medicine for constipation. If you use unctuous ghee, castor oil like that, inflammation will go away. If you use churna or kashaya or anything, with strain there can be more bleeding or rupture or inflammation, anything. You can't do anything. There, in this situation, there is a yoga. The only your work you should identify where is it, sir. After Jatyamalaka Mustani, Dhanyaya Vashakam, he says, Baddhavit, Atuka, Draksha, Trayanti, Triphala, Gulan. I have tried this. You give this without disturbing the body, you will get sadhana. So, diseases are not modern diseases. These are situations, what is happening. So you can pick medicine from anywhere. In this way, if you change your approach to the Samhita, that is the classical treatment. You understand it as a mathematics book. A mathematician, when you give a problem, first he thinks, which system I can use. He has no other way. He has to go for absolute possibility. He goes to calculus. He can picturize it. He goes to geometry. Geometry is not just pictures. You get answers from that. Arithmetic and geometry together, you go to trigonometry. First he decides that. Then there are separate systems in between. From this, which is very quickly he comes as a gift. Like that, the Vaidya should have the gift. The teachers, the old Vaidyas, T.N.K. Musal, Rajagopalan sir, these people, when somebody comes, it can be some particular disease, he will suddenly say a line from a chapter. Chapter may be something quite different. But that line remains in a particular place. He said that is that. This is how I say. Baddhavit Kaduga Draksha Trayanti Triphala Gula Jara, no one uses it. But you can easily use it, give a lot of comfort to the patient of very difficult inflammations, internal inflammations, where he cannot, he has constipation, everything is stuck up. There's a lot of spasm, pain, and the inflammation is increasing. Your medicine is not working. Then you give this. Even in such cases, liver cancer, the tongue becomes very red and becomes, there's the constipation. In such places, you must understand what happens in the shrotas. If you use strong medicines, powder or anything, you will bleed, make him bleed. Very easily, with this, without any difficulty, the constipation will be removed, body you can start purifying. So this is the way how to understand things. Is there any use explaining like this? Is there any use? You understand what I said? See, this is the true way of Ayurveda. How to understand the Samhita is the way of Ayurveda. It's very difficult to speak. So I will just tell you some treatment examples. I think I have explained several things in the same, like how you look at the dhatu and jara or such things in a disease. I had a patient recently, a 7-year boy from Hyderabad. They are from Kerala, but many years back they are there. And this boy's father and mother are doctors in USA. Boy is living with grandmother near a big hospital in Hyderabad because every time the boy has to be admitted there. The difficulty is thrombocytopenic anemia. You know what is it? Thrombocytopenic anemia means platelets go down suddenly. Then there's bleeding. This boy suffers. They are giving all the medicines. Why the parents have put the boy here is they cannot always rush to him. And whatever they can give, they are giving. This mother can take him to hospital every time. And they have no clear hope about recovery of the disease. Because, what they give generally is steroids and leprosy medicines. Dapsone, all these things they give. This is the medicine they give. Everything is given. And suddenly, the problem here is, suddenly it comes to 5,000, 4,000. And he bleeds subcutaneously, becomes blue, and faints. They take him to hospital, put the platelets, sometimes blood also. And that it goes like that. He used to come here. So, this is the modern medicine explanation. What can you do with modern medicine explanation? I started giving several types of medicine. Mostly I give medicines from Visarpa that I cannot explain. ജീവന്ത്യാദി കഷായം ഇതൊക്കെ കൊടുക്കും. ഈ ശതതജ്വരത്തിന്റെ പടോല കടുരോഹിണ്യാദി എല്ലാം കൊടുത്തു. ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടായില്ല. It goes up to 1,60,000, something like that, sometimes 2 lakh, but suddenly goes to 5,000. And this woman starts crying because she knows he will die. At last, I was thinking a lot about what to do. Then, I made a plan. I used to do a plan like previously I said, Kalashagadi to clear the sotas, where Vata is blocked by Pitta, rough Pitta, Kalashagadi. Then, Drakshadi to do prasadana. Kalashagadi does lekhana, it can make dehydration, it can make a roughness. So, sadhana is anyway you have to do. Even otherwise you have to do. So Kalashagadi, Drakshadi, in the evening, in big quantity, Mahadikta Ghritam is the medicine. Mahadikta Ghritam is the medicine for that. What is, for what we give Mahadikta Ghritam? Kushta. It's not for Kushta. This, you think in the book why he wrote that. What is it? Kushta is Tiktakam Ghritam. Tiktakam Ghritam is for Kushta, Kapapittakam. Then he said, certain conditions is very deep and you have to treat for long. So, you take a medicine of Vadarakta. This is for Vadarakta. Charnadhara Samhita, you say. There is the original yoga of Mahadikta Ghritam. The Parasuddhi says Vadaraktam Jwaram Pushtam. Pushtam is third. Vadaraktam. കുഷ്ഠം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതിൽ കൊടുക്കില്ല. വാതരക്തം, this is a degenerative condition. How it comes gradually, it's a degenerative condition beyond kushtam. So Mahadikta Ghritam in good quantity for this 7-year person, I gave 15 to 20 ml. Then in the night, I told them to get the raw drugs for Bhargyadi Kashayam. Don't take it in the bottle, make it instantly and give in the night. Bhargyadi Kashayam is the medicine for Chaturthaka Jara. Chaturthaka Jara. Why it was given? Susuda says the majja in the Anvasti is Rakta Medas. Rakta Medas, not majja. What you see in Anvasti is not majja. It is Rakta Medas. What is Rakta Medas? Medas is the gross ojas. Everybody is speaking against Medas nowadays. I say it's a wonderful thing in the body. With Medas you live. Even cholesterol is a wonderful thing. I was given statin. I didn't take. Now the doctors in West tell me you are wonderful. Never take. Don't touch statin. Because your brain works with cholesterol. If you take unnecessary LDL does nothing bad for you. In USA, sometimes in Europe, they say blunder sometimes. And make a lot of destruction there. Then our people do a lot of destruction here. They recognize and stop it. We don't stop. This is what is happening. I didn't take it. 14 years is over. I am not taking any very small medicine. Not taking medicine. Cholesterol was 200, LDL was 275 for me. I took Aragodhairishtam, Punarnavasavam, Vilyavadi Guliga, not for this. I had a skin allergy for that. 1.5 months. Then I checked it was 75. So I understood this is a business. Even if there is a lot of Kalashaka, curry leaf, a lot in your food, it will come down. And it won't make any problem in the heart. Why it makes in the problem in the heart? They say they make plagues in the vessels. Why can't the plagues be in some other vessels? Why? Is it cholesterol or the vessel? What is the problem? It's the vessel. The vessel. You look at the treatment of urinary stone in Ayurveda. K.S. Vaidya was here in Jerusalem. They brought a small child. He was developing stones again and again. 2 surgeries have done. Now they said we cannot do surgery, it was coming. He gave Veeradanadi Kashayam Chandraprabha. So powder started going. 6 months. He was urinating powder. And gradually it stopped. Veeradanadi Kashayam is not for stone. It is for stone. But Veeradanadi Kashayam is the medicine for Vayu. The source. Bhadradaru Nadam Kushtam Dasamulam Beladvaya. Yes, I have to jump. It's a problem. I have to jump. See, any yoga, after that, you have a philosophy. Many diseases start. You take Bhadradarvadi Kashaya. Its philosophy is very strange. Bhadradaru Nadam Kushtam Dasamulam Beladvayam Vayum Veeradanadischa Vidaityadischa Nashay. This is the philosophy. These are the medicines in Bhadradarvadi Kashayam. It destroys Vayu. Veeradanadi and Bhadradarvadi, in Veeradanadi and Vidaityadi also kill Vayu. What's the meaning? Bhadradarvadi is for the marma head. Vidaityadi is the medicine for marma there. Veeradanadi is the medicine for marma, for Vayu. That is Vasti. That's the meaning. And in the Mutra Ghada, you can see one line. After describing everything, he will say, Sarvathacha prayoktavyo vargo Veeradanadika. Use Veeradanadi vargam in all the way you can. Okay? So these are you must understand exactly what is it. This is what I say, this is the notes. we must imagine Atreya and Agnivesh sitting together talking. Like we read in a novel. When you read novel, you cry, because you are within them. You are sitting among them. Like that, we should sit among them and see why it is said like that. So you can understand. So what I was saying is jump. Jumped from one place. Right. Thrombocytopenic anemia, this. That I am doing. But Bhargyadi Kashaya. It was given because he says in Anvasti, what is there is Rakta Medas. Medas is a wonderful thing. It's similar to ojas.